Hello and welcome to the Kenneth Vercammen Law Office Legal Podcast. This edition, we're looking at domestic violence cases, and in particular, we're looking at the unreported case of PA versus SA. In domestic violence cases, they use the initials. So, in this case, the defendant appealed the trial court's entry of a final restraining order pursuant to the Prevention of Domestic Violence Act. So in this case, after the husband's death, the plaintiff continued to reside on the first floor of a two-story home that the couple had occupied for the duration of their marriage. The defendant, the husband's son and plaintiff's stepson, lived on the second floor of the home with his girlfriend. After the husband's death, plaintiff and defendant became opposing parties in litigation regarding plaintiff's interest in the family home. Defendant unilaterally removed the home's Ring doorbell camera, which streamed video and audio directly to the plaintiff's phone. The plaintiff, then 72 years old, obtained a temporary restraining order based upon that. Upon the hearing regarding the restraining order, the plaintiff testified the defendant never replaced the Ring doorbell. The defendant at the hearing said he removed the doorbell because he had purchased an improved doorbell and intended to replace the old one, but he offered no evidence to substantiate that testimony, and by the time of trial, no new device had been installed. Plaintiff also testified the Ring camera provided her with a sense of safety. The trial court granted the final restraining order. Defendant appealed. The appellate court affirmed. The appellate court held the trial court correctly concluded the defendant committed a predicate act of harassment by removing the Ring camera without plaintiff's permission and not reinstalling it when she requested it, and failing to replace it with a new device. The appeal court held the trial court did not err in deeming defendant's testimony about removing the device not credible. The issue was not solely removal of the device, but rather the failure to install another and connect it to plaintiff's phone, thereby denying her with the safety net as a 72-plus-year-old that she valued during a time when the parties were at odds due to the ongoing will contest. The trial court's credibility and factual findings were supported by the evidence of the record, and that's the unreported case of PA versus SA. For more information on domestic violence cases, visit website njlaws.com, and for representation, contact Kenneth Vercammen's office in Edison at 732-572-0500. Thank you.